Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to this channel and let's see today's video, and that is workshop of 1.3 on wings of courage. So let's start to do all the activities of this lesson. First activity is warming up. First question: the ranks of officer in Indian Army, Navy and Air Force are jumbled up. Discuss with your group and put them in appropriate boxes. First commander from Navy, brigadier is from Army, wing commander it is from Air Force, vice admiral Navy, squadron leader Air Force, major Army, colonel Army, field marshal Army, air marshal Air Force, admiral of fleet Navy, lieutenant general Army, flying officer Air Force, commodore Navy, rear admiral Navy, air commodore Air Force. Second number question: homophones or homographs. For this question we have made the video, so you can check the link in description and solve all these questions. Let's move towards margin questions. First question: why is Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh considered an outstanding military personality? वायु सेना के मार्शल अर्जन सिंह को उत्कृष्ट सैन्य व्यक्तिमत्व क्यों माना जाता है? आंसर: Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh is considered an outstanding military personality because he achieved highest rank in Indian Air Force and he had led the Air Force during the war, showing successful leadership and effort. Second question: what personality traits of Arjan Singh are mentioned here? Traits का मतलब है गुण. तो अर्जन सिंह के कौन से विशेष गुणों का उल्लेख यहाँ पे किया गया है? आंसर: Arjan Singh displayed outstanding leadership, great skill and courage. He was an exceptional pilot and fearless person. Third question: what enabled Arjan Singh to the DFC award? ऐसा क्या हुआ जिसके वजह से अर्जन सिंह को DFC अवार्ड मिला? आंसर: Arjan Singh had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support mission during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon. His feat enabled him to the DFC award. Fourth number question: at what age did Arjan Singh become a squadron leader? अर्जन सिंह जब स्क्वाड्रन लीडर बने तब उनकी उम्र क्या थी? आंसर: he became a squadron leader at the age of 25 because he was born in 1999 and became squadron leader in 1944. Fifth, for how long did Arjan Singh hold the post of AOC? अर्जन सिंह ने AOC पद को कब तक संभाला? आंसर: Singh held the longest tenure as AOC of an operational base for 9 years. Initially from 1949 to 1952 and then again from 1957 to 1961. Sixth number question: what uphill task did Singh face when he took over as Air Marshal? Uphill task मतलब कठिन काम. जब अर्जन सिंह एयर मार्शल बने तो उन्हें कौन से सबसे बड़ी डिफिकल्टी का सामना करना पड़ा? आंसर: Arjan Singh took control over Indian Air Force at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. Last question: what other important positions did Arjan Singh hold after his retirement? अपनी सेवा निवृत्ति के बाद अर्जन सिंह ने कौन से महत्वपूर्ण पदों को संभाला? आंसर: after retirement, Arjan Singh accepted ambassadorship to Switzerland and then became Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. So here we have done margin questions. Let's move towards English workshop. First question: read the text and fill in the flow chart of the promotions received by Arjan Singh. तो यहाँ पे बॉक्सेस बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. आप चाहो तो इन्हें बढ़ा के और बड़ा आंसर लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मैं जितने बॉक्सेस है उतने में आंसर लिखने वाला हूँ. फर्स्ट, मेंबर ऑफ नंबर 1 रॉयल इंडियन एयर फोर्स, देन फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर, देन स्क्वाड्रन लीडर, देन एयर कमोडोर, देन ग्रुप कैप्टन, then Air Vice Marshal, and at last Marshal of the Air Force. Second number question. With the help of facts given in the text, prepare a fact file of Air Marshal Arjan Singh. A. Date of birth April 15, 1919. B. Place of birth Layalpur. C. Education Montgomery, and then Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force Cranwell. First assignment to fly Westland VPT B planes. E. Important post held. A. In Air Force, from Flying Officer to Air Chief Marshal. B. After retirement, Ambassadorship to Switzerland, then Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. F. Awards. First Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944, and then Padma Vibhushan. Most outstanding contribution in Indian Air Force, transforming the Indian Air Force into one of the most potent air forces and the fourth biggest in the world. Retirement in August 1969. Third number question. Fill in the web. Qualities of Arjan Singh. He was brave, fearless, having wide knowledge of air power, is knowledgeable, unexcitable but able leader, quite efficient, firm and exceptional. Fourth number question. Say what actions preceded the following promotion of Arjan Singh in his career in the Indian Air Force. अर्जन सिंह को ये नीचे दी गई प्रमोशन मिलने से पहले कौन से एक्शंस उन्होंने किए थे? A. Selected for Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force. Answer. He completed his education at Montgomery. B. Promoted to Squadron Leader. Answer. He flew against the tribal forces, then moved back to No. 1 Squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. C. Leader of fly past over 100 aircrafts at Red Fort, Delhi. Answer. He successfully led the squadron in combat, so he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. D. Awarded Padma Vibhushan. He showed astute leadership during the 1965 war and inspired Indian Air Force to victory. E. First Air Chief Marshal of Indian Air Force. Answer. In recognition of the Air Force's contribution during the war, the CAS rank was upgraded. Fifth number question. Replace the underlined words or phrases with appropriate ones to retain the proper meaning. तो यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन की गई है, कुछ फ्रेजेस को, उनके अलावा हमें ब्रैकेट में कुछ और वर्ड्स दिए गए वो लिखने। फर्स्ट ए देखते, अंडरलाइन वर्ड है कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड नोटेबली, मीनिंग है प्लेड अ मेजर रोल, तो आंसर आएगा ही प्लेड अ मेजर रोल इन ब्रिंगिंग अप द स्कूल। सेकेंड में गॉट रेडी, मीनिंग है इसका गियर्ड अप, तो आंसर आएगा आवर स्कूल क्रिकेट टीम गियर्ड अप फॉर द फाइनल मैच अगेंस्ट द पीक्यूआर हाई स्कूल। C. A short period of working, meaning है इसका a brief stint, तो आंसर आएगा after a brief stint as a lecturer, Ravi took an important post in a multinational company. D. A perfect symbol of, meaning है इसका the epitome of, our class monitor is the epitome of duty and discipline. E. Accepting the great value, meaning है in recognition, तो आंसर आएगा इन रिकग्निशन ऑफ हिज रिसर्च दे अवॉर्डेड हिम विथ अ PhD डिग्री। F. टूक ओवर द कंट्रोल, मीनिंग इसका टूक ओवर द रीन्स, आंसर है आफ्टर द मर्डर ऑफ किंग डंकन मैकबेथ टूक ओवर द रीन्स ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड। सिक्स्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन, बिल्ड द वर्ड वॉल विद द वर्ड्स रिलेटेड विथ मिलिट्री। फर्स्ट एयरक्राफ्ट, सेकेंड कैनन, थर्ड सिक्योरिटी, फोर्थ हेडक्वार्टर, fifth enemy, sixth battle, seventh gun, eighth bomb, ninth kill, 10th force, 11th defense, 12th attack. The question number 7 is also about homophones and homograph, so you can see the same video for question number 2 and question number 7. The link is in the description. 9 number question, develop a story to the conclusion and end given below. Suggest a suitable title. For this question we have also made a video, you can check the link in description and try to solve it. So here we have done all the important questions from this 1.3 lesson. I hope you would have understood all the activities solved in this video. So thank you for watching the video and subscribing this channel. Bye.